Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's your girl Couture Shanz, and today I'll be showing you how I made this gorgeous high slit two-piece set. It's in red and it's just so gorgeous. I'll be using this gorgeous red fabric that I found when I went fabric shopping. So if you're ready to see what it turned out like, just subscribe and continue watching. Here you can see that I draped the skirt on my dress form, forming some nice full pleats to give the skirt a full and flared look. So it's turning out wonderfully so far. Next, we go over to the sewing machine to secure those pleats that we just formed. It's best to go slow and remove the pins as you go along, because trust me, you do not want to sew over these pins. I've broken 1,000 needles by doing this. As you get familiar with forming pleats, you'll be able to do so without even pinning. As you see, I just use my fingers at the markings and create these pleats, and it's turning out nice so far. Next, we'll be creating the panels for our top. You need 2 panels for the front and back and some elastic. We're going to take it over to the serger and serge the edges. And this is how it looks. This is after we've added the elastic to the top and bottom, as well as created our straps. We're now going to find a placement for our straps and secure it in the back. One of the main things that I love about this fabric is that it's so stretchy and gorgeous. I mean, it's so soft and nice against the skin. I just love it. Let me know what you think about the final product. It's the high slit for me. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.